rewatched since Spider-Man PS1 Interweb Shadows.
Dumbasses.
You let yourself be captured so you could lead your people to this base! Now that your knight has made his appearance, he can join you in your descent into death.
There's a man running around in a trench coat that makes Grundy look like an 8th grade honor roll student. Better keep it hit and run with this monster.
He can join you in your descent into death. Unacceptable!
The Riddler left me one last riddle before he met his end. It said, I shot my wife and drowned her. Then finally we went out to dinner. How is that possible? The answer, he took a picture of her and developed it before taking her out.
Have it your way, then! I am aware of that. I will revive the family name myself and make you the master of the glorious Ashford family.